Warren Buffett gets the fame, but the quiet man beside him, Charlie Munger, might be the real reason it all worked. Munger didn't build a fortune by being the smartest person in the room. He built it by refusing to be the dumbest. His whole philosophy can be summed up in one strange sentence. It is remarkable how much long-term advantage people get by trying to be consistently not stupid instead of trying to be brilliant. I stole 3 of his mental habits for trading. They didn't make me smarter, they made me a lot harder to blow up. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You are probably not losing because of a mistake you've never seen. You're losing because of the same mistake, on repeat. The same oversized position, the same revenge trade after a red day, the same setup you swore you'd stop taking. Munger noticed this about people. We don't fail from a lack of new ideas. We fail because we keep stepping on the same rake and then act surprised when it hits us in the face. Again. Munger's most famous tool is one word: invert. Always invert. Most traders ask, how do I make money on this trade? Munger would flip it completely and ask, how could I completely destroy this account? Then he'd simply refuse to do those things. So try it. Right now, list the fastest ways to blow up. No stop, sizing too big, trading angry, chasing a candle you missed. That list isn't negative thinking. That list is your survival guide. Avoid everything on it, and you've already beaten most traders. Munger never chased the perfect genius trade. He aimed lower and won bigger. His edge was simply making fewer dumb mistakes than everyone else. For a trader, this is freeing. You do not need a magic strategy. You do not need to predict the next move. You just need to stop doing the 3 or 4 stupid things that quietly wreck your account. Lower your error rate, and your results climb on their own. Boring consistency beats brilliant chaos every single time. Munger spent his whole life studying one thing: how smart people fool themselves. Overconfidence, fear of missing out, the urge for revenge. He concluded that willpower alone is useless against these because in the heat of the moment, your brain lies to you. His fix wasn't to try harder. It was a checklist, a short list of questions you must answer before you act. So the calm version of you protects the emotional version. A pilot uses 1. A surgeon uses 1. Why does the trader, making split-second money decisions, trade on pure feeling? Look at all 3 again. Invert to see your risks. Aim to be not stupid instead of brilliant. Build a checklist so your system catches you when your emotions won't. None of it is about being clever. That is the whole shift. Stop trying to outsmart the market. Start trying to out-survive it. Because the trader who avoids ruin long enough eventually wins by default, while everyone smarter than him is busy blowing up. Here's your 30-second homework. Take a sticky note. Write one honest line. The single fastest way I personally blow up my account. Maybe it's revenge trades. Maybe it's sizing too big. You know yours. Then stick that note on the edge of your screen where you'll see it before every trade. That's it. You just built your first Munger checklist, 1 line long. It will save you more money than any indicator ever will. If you keep making the same mistake and can't seem to stop, you are not weak, and you are definitely not alone. Most traders were never taught that discipline is a system, not a personality trait. That's the whole point of the quiet community around this channel. No hype, no signals to buy, no promises. Just people building better habits, 1 trade at a time. The free link is in the description whenever you want it. Charlie Munger didn't win by predicting the future. He won by being almost impossible to destroy. Invert to find your risks. Be consistently not stupid. Let a checklist protect you from yourself. 3 quiet habits from a man who spent 99 years proving that avoiding disaster is its own kind of genius. If this landed, do one thing for tomorrow's you. Subscribe, so the next habit finds you without you having to look. Then tell me below, what's the one mistake you keep repeating? Naming it out loud is where it starts to lose its grip. And remember, you don't have to be the smartest trader in the room. You just have to be the one who's still standing when the smart ones have already blown up. See you in the next one.